Hi everyone, this is our latest news application. So if you are looking to start your own news app, then this is the best app for you. You can see it has banners on the top like this. It also has all the other advanced feature of the news app. For more, you can directly contact us. A user can log in easily and use all the feature. So let us log out and then again log in to see all the features. You can see all the news, all the categories. It also has a feature of poll, so admin can ask questions and users can answer them. And this is the news section. You can see all the news like video, post coming directly on the home page. You can click on any news and see the content inside it. You can also give a rating. To give a rating, you will need to log in. You can log in by Facebook, Google and mobile number OTP. So let's accept the terms and condition and let's log in by Google login. So to log in as a Google account, just click on login with Google and choose your email ID, and yeah, that's easily you can log in the application. And yeah, that's how our account looks after login. In this application, we also have a subscription model. So if a customer don't want to see ads by admob, he can buy this subscription. So like this, the admin can have extra earnings. In this application, admin can upload all the news by using the admin panel. The user can directly click on any news. If it's a video, he can directly play that video in the application easily without going on YouTube. So it's very easy to use this app. The user can scroll down and see more videos easily and more news easily without going inside any category. The user can also filter the news by category, like if he wants to see only sports news, he can see sports news. If he wants to see only politics news, he can see the politics news and much more. This is a complete ready-made application available. For more, you can directly contact us. The details are showing on your screen, or you can also visit raunix.com. And here you can see the news by category. So this is the popular news section. And from here you can see all the news that you will see if you follow somebody. In this application, different people can upload news and you can follow a particular person and then you will see the news only inside his section. And here you can see all the categories like sports, business, politics and much more. Admin can also create new categories. Here you can see all your favorite posts and your favorite news. You can always comment on a news, you can always share a news, and you can also rate a news. So that's how basically our app is working. It has Facebook login, Google login and mobile number OTP login. For more, you can directly contact us. In this application, we also have an additional feature of for a user, he can also upload a news, he can upload a video, text or other news. In this application, we also have multi-language. It has English, Hindi and more languages. We can also add more language for you. For any query, you can directly contact us by the number showing on your screen, or you can also visit raunix.com so our consultant can directly connect with you. For more, kindly contact us. Thank you.